All right, so here are next steps for the apps that you have, videos that you've created. I'm hoping that when you go to Google Drive, you see Team Drives, and I've made a TechForce folder. In here, you will find a drawing that is going to be part of our Google site, and I made a copy of our original spreadsheet. And I've also set up the shell for a website that has that same graphic as before. So your job is going to be to come over to the pages over here on the right. You are going to add a page based on your topic. For the header, you're going to have just the title. And now there are a couple of ways we can do this. One of those is that we can find the video that you have and make a copy. And then once that copy is made, we can move it to Team Drive, TechForce, move. And when I go back to that folder, there's that video. I'm going to go to the website. I'm on Keynote on my page. Over here on the right, I'm going to go to Insert, From Drive, Team Drive, TechForce, My Movie. If you have your videos on YouTube, so here's another Keynote movie. I can share. No, I need to get the title of this video. Get the title of the video, go back to my sites. This time click on YouTube, do the video search, and then I can embed the video that way. So your tasks are to move your videos that are on Drive into this shared Team Drive folder of TechForce. Then you are going to access the sites, and then you are to add your pages and embed your videos. Please let me know if you have any questions.